Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about fitness and why it's important in our daily lives. Fitness is a condition in which an individual has sufficient energy to avoid fatigue and enjoy life. Today we're going to talk about the two main types of fitness, which are performance-related fitness and health-related fitness. Skill-related fitness involves skills that will enhance one's performance in athletic or other sporting events. A few of these are agility, balance, and power. Agility is the ability to quickly change directions while moving, like you have to do in soccer, tennis, and basketball. Balance is the control or stability of the body, and balance is important in activities like ice skating or balancing on the beam in gymnastics. Power is the ability to move your body parts swiftly while applying maximum force of the muscles. So basically, power is a combination of your speed and your muscular strength. And an example of this is a running back running through a defense or a hockey player making a body check. Speed is the ability to move your body parts quickly, and this is important for sports such as track, cross country, football, and hockey, where players need to be moving as fast as they can. Coordination is the ability to use your senses with your body parts while you're moving. And a couple of examples of this are this guy juggling here, and also catching a baseball or dribbling a basketball. Reaction time is the ability to reach or respond quickly to what you see, hear, or feel. And a couple examples of this are stealing a base in baseball, or how quickly you start to run in track when the siren goes off. So next we have the health-related components of physical fitness, and these are skills that enable one to become and stay physically healthy. So here are all the health-related components. The first is cardiovascular fitness, which is the ability of the body's circulatory and respiratory systems to supply fuel during physical activity. And a couple ways to improve your cardiovascular fitness are activities that keep your heart rate elevated, such as walking, swimming, or bicycling. The next is muscular endurance, which is the ability of the muscle to continue to perform without fatigue. And activities that improve this are walking, jogging, bicycling, or dancing. Muscular strength is the ability of the muscle to exert force during an activity. And a couple examples of this are lifting weights or rapidly taking the stairs. Flexibility is the range of motion around a joint. And the main thing people think of when they think of flexibility is stretching. The last component for health-related fitness is body composition, and this refers to the relative amount of muscle, fat, bone, and other vital parts of the body. And body composition is important to consider for health and managing your weight. And one of the main ways you can measure your body composition is with something called your body mass index.
And this is basically a calculation that's based off your height and your weight, and it allows you to determine if you're over or underweight according to what you should weigh based off your height. And so your body mass index is just your weight in kilograms over your height squared. So I went ahead and did a sample calculation for myself, and I weigh 200 pounds, which is 90 kilograms. I'm 6'3", which is 75 inches. And to get this in centimeters, you multiply by this, and then you just take your weight in kilograms over your height squared, and then I come up with 25.6. And the recommended body mass index is 19 to 25. So I'm right at the upper border of the recommended range. So now we're just going to go ahead and review the functions of the skill-related and the health-related components of fitness. Agility is the ability to change directions while you're moving. Balance is the ability to control or stabilize the body. Power is the ability to move your body parts swiftly while applying maximum force to the muscles. And remember, that's a combination of speed and muscular strength. And speed is your ability to move your body parts quickly. Coordination is the ability to use your senses with your body parts moving. And your reaction time is your ability to reach or respond quickly to what you see, hear, or feel. And so now we have the health-related components of physical fitness. And so the first one is cardiovascular fitness, which is the ability of the body's circulatory system to supply fuel. Muscular strength is the ability of the muscle to exert force during an activity. Muscular endurance is the ability of the muscle to continue to perform without fatigue. Body composition is the relative amount of muscle, fat, bone, and other parts of the body. And remember, we can measure this through your body mass index. And flexibility is the range of motion around a joint. So now that you guys know the health related and skill related components of physical fitness, you can go out and incorporate these skills into your lives so you can live healthier lifestyles.